It's the start of a new year in the Amazon Influencer Program. Yes, I'm finally back with another video. I know I was on top of it, making these reviews every single month, and I've just been so busy. Time goes by quick, and I missed a month and missed another month. And then when I was doing the numbers for this video, I didn't realize that I have taken this many months off of making a video. So I'm back.
Oh, it's about time.
I hope everybody had great holiday times and good New Year's and all that, and hopefully was able to, buy your Christmas presents and stuff with the money that you made from this program and not have to pull it out of your own pocket. And now we get to start fresh with a new year, trying to get as much money as we possibly can. But in this video, I am going to go back over the months that I missed, and then I will have my tips at the end as usual, so make sure you stick around for that. And as always, I still have a free beginner's guide in the description below if you haven't gotten started in this program yet or you're just getting started, so make sure you check that out below. And then as always, if you get good information from this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. As you can tell just from my time away, that these videos, even though they look very simple, it's a pain to edit them and all that stuff. So please just keep making it worth my while to do so and hit that subscribe button. But we're going to jump right into my numbers, going back to September, and we're going to try something a little different this time. So in an effort to hopefully save me some editing time down the road, we're going to try doing it on whiteboard today, and make sure you leave me comments to let me know if you like it better this way versus it popping up on the screen and all that kind of stuff. Just let me know. But jumping back, the last video I did was August, and it was I think it was the first month ever that I had added no new videos, which is terrible. I said that it was one of my, I think maybe one of my lowest earning months ever in the program at $250. We'll see if I break that record, good or bad. I had made $13 in the affiliate side, which is off of Amazon, bringing traffic to Amazon, and I did not have any partnerships for the month of August. So that is what we left off with, and we're going to go through these others today. So jumping into the month of September, like I said, in August we added 0 videos, and in September, if I was too busy to make a YouTube video for y'all, I was probably too busy to, make a bunch of Amazon videos also. It's just been very hectic. But in September, we also added 0 videos. That's terrible 0, but it's really hard to write like this, so we'll just have to do 0 videos. Not good, not proud of it. Like I said, one of the lowest earning months was August at $250. And since we didn't do anything else in the month of September, as far as adding any videos, our earnings did unfortunately go down. This is really hard to do this way. $205 for the month of September in the on-site side of things. We are trending downwards, which we deserve to trend downwards because I'm not adding any new videos. So that just kind of comes with the territory. But then we go to the affiliate side. And for the month of September, like I said, the affiliate side, I've never put a whole lot of effort into, so we don't make a whole bunch of money over there. But when we first started, I was making $1 or $2 on a good month, and now we're starting to get a little bit better with that. So for the affiliate side, we were at about $10 for the month of September on the affiliate side. It had been a little bit on partnerships since I had gotten anything because I wasn't making any videos. So I hadn't been doing it, but September we actually got back on track and I was able to get one item. So I did get one thing for free to do a video with, got to keep it. I'm not sure if I ended up selling it or not. Either way, we're getting back on track with the partnerships a little bit. Now let's jump into October. Now October, I believe we had Prime Day. For some reason, I want to think we had a Prime Day. So typically sales increase. And for the 3rd month in a row, because I suck, I added 0 videos. Like I said, I wasn't even looking at this program, and that's not good because you really want to be adding as many videos as possible in these months to get ready for Black Friday and holiday shopping. So not good. And then because I added 0 videos, I keep setting records for my worst months in a long time. So for October, I made $165 on the on-site side. Now, like I said, for me doing nothing for 3 months in a row, making around $200 a month, still doing absolutely nothing is nothing to complain about. But if you want to grow this, you need to continually add videos. and check on your videos, make sure that they are still published and everything like that. No excuses here. Even with Prime Day, still wasn't that great, $165. But for the affiliate side, for whatever reason, I did increase the sales on that side and ended up with $22 on the affiliate side. So we're still getting close to that $200 in a month average or whatever there. But we did go back in the hole on partnerships and did not have any, but that's going to get better. So bear with me. For November, now we should get excited because November, December, biggest shopping months of the year. For this November, I finally, for the first time in several months, did add some videos. Not many, but at least it's not zero. I added 2. So 2 videos in the past 4 months on there. Embarrassing, but what can I say? I almost don't even want to show you how much money I made. But when you don't make videos for 4 months, it comes back to bite you. So just prepare yourself for this number. It is my worst ever. Just prepare yourself. I made $65. That hurts. Don't know really what caused the drop off other than just not putting videos and more stuff's falling off. But what is supposed to be the biggest or second biggest month of the year for this program, I had one of my worst months ever at $65. Gotta do better. Don't be like me, but I was out making money other ways, was super busy. And so that's where that's at. And then the affiliate side, that also went down, but still better than usual at $9 for that. And then here's where we start to get back on track with the partnerships because of whether it be for Christmas stuff or for the new year, whatever, these brands are wanting to get their products out there to be seen. And so I did start to get partnerships again. And I received, writing on a board is the hardest thing ever. 3 free products for doing all that. 3 free things that you're going to continue to make commissions on after doing the video. And then it could either be stuff that you need or you can turn around and sell it and make money off of it that way. So it's a win-win all the way around. Let's get out of November as fast as possible because that was terrible. And things were on the up and up for December. So December was the most effort I put in this program in the last half a year. As far as videos added, I added 5 videos. Don't really know if that looks like a 5. I guess so. But added 5 videos, so that's positive, and that was because of partnerships coming in, and so I have to make videos because they're sending me stuff. So I got a little bit more time on my hands for this past month. Wanted to end the year strong, and I put 5 videos out, which is the most that I've put out in a month since looks like April. So I've been really slacking this past year in this program, but we're in 2025. We're going to change that. Maybe. We'll see. So with the 5 videos added, hard to be worse than November. So please let the earnings be better. And they were $185. And then the affiliate side was the best in a very long time of about $27 on that side. So can't complain about that. $27 from a side that I put very little effort into whatsoever. But then the partnerships was quite a bit better. Not great compared to what I used to do, but compared to lately, definitely better. So in the partnerships, I had 3 more free items, and then I also got paid another $20 on top of that from the brands themselves. So like I've said before, there's several ways to earn just on the partnership side because you're getting a free product that you can turn around and sell if you want. You're going to make commissions from the videos that you produce, and then also you can get them to pay you if your videos are high quality enough. But just looking at that, we're going downhill, downhill, downhill. But December was a positive, and hopefully we can continue that trend into this coming up year. And December was even better than October, so that's a good sign. Let's just keep going up with that. But now let's jump into my tips for these past few months. Okay, so my tips for this month is going to be about thumbnails. Now, Amazon's recently changed the look of their storefronts and they change the look of Amazon and all that stuff every once in a while, but we're not going to talk about that. We're strictly going to talk about whether you should be making thumbnails at all. because I see that in some of these groups that I'm in, that people continually like, I don't do any thumbnails at all, or should I do thumbnails, or how elaborate should they be, whatever. Here's the deal. You should always have a thumbnail. If you're doing vertical where you're trying to get on the Inspire page, you can probably avoid it then. But if you're trying to make videos that are going to be on the product page themselves, you need to have a thumbnail. And the reason for that is because if I'm trying to choose what video I'm going to watch, and there's one that is just, it's a screen grab from in the middle of the video, maybe blurry, whatever, you have no control over what it grabs from the video, versus a very simple thumbnail that shows the product, maybe a couple of words, whatever, that's engaging, I'm going to click on the one who actually had a thumbnail. Because once again, typically if you're a person that's going to put enough effort in to even make a thumbnail, you're going to put enough effort into making the video itself, which means it should theoretically be a better, more informative video. So that's one that I want to go to. Now, here's the difference. When people say make a thumbnail, they think of YouTube and these very elaborate, high contrast, different type of graphics and text and stuff to be just as clickbaity as possible. That is not what we need for Amazon. With YouTube, you have a different audience. On YouTube, you're competing with a million other videos, and you're wanting them to watch your videos and watch your future videos and everything else. With Amazon, they are on a product page. It's not about you at all. They want to know about this product and only this product. And so they're going and they're seeing, 5 to 10, however many videos are on the carousel. That's what you're competing with, and it's supposed to be about the product, not to be as clickbaity as it can be. Whereas with YouTube, you'll have all the graphics and text and high contrast and everything else. When I say make a thumbnail for Amazon, it can be very simple. A lot of the thumbnails that I have is just me holding the product and pointing to it, or just the product by itself with an arrow pointing to it, or whatever. Very simple. I'm talking about going into Canva or whatever and just taking 2 minutes to create a thumbnail, not the big elaborate ones that you see on YouTube. So yes, you need a thumbnail. No, it does not have to be super elaborate. It can be very simple. And that's my quick breakdown review video for these past few months that I've missed. As always, there's a free beginner guide in the description below. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We are going into 2025 now. I hope we can all make as much money as possible in this program. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.